Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to run a web app build with Google AI Studio in local machine. First, open your browser and go to the Google AI Studio website. Make sure you are logged in with your Google account so you can access your projects. Now, from the left side menu, click on Build. This section contains all the apps you've created. Next, click on Your Apps to open your project list. Then, select any web app you want to run locally. For example, a Flash UI app. Click on it to open the project details. Here, you'll see the app preview along with its configuration and other details. Take a quick look to confirm everything is set up correctly. After that, click on the code option. This will open the full source code of your web app. Now, to run this app on your local machine, click on Share. Then choose GitHub. This will allow you to export the project to your GitHub repository. Next, go to your GitHub account and copy the repository link. Then, open your terminal or command prompt on your computer and clone the project using the git command. Once the project is downloaded, open the folder in code editor like VS Code. Now, install all the required dependencies by running the install command provided in this project, usually npm install. This step sets up all the necessary files for the app to run. After that, start the project using the run command, such as npm run dev or npm start, depending on how the app is configured. Then, open your browser and go to the local server address, usually something like localhost. Your web app should now be running on your local machine. Finally, you can edit the code, test features, and make changes in real time. Once done, you can push updates back to GitHub or publish the app again from Google AI Studio. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.